take, for example, a word like nosh. You know, it never really occurred to me that that was, growing up, that was anything other than just slang. But no, it was actually, it's a good, zufty Yiddish word, isn't it? We use mishmash, except we said mishmash, but we use mishmash all the time. And then you start realizing that little pieces of grammar that you hear every day around you, if he would have done something, that's not the grammar that came over with what I call English ancestry speakers. That's a Yiddish grammar. So it's sort of realizing that there were a lot of clues around, but you'd never, in your rush growing up, never really put everything together.